Okay. You're reading your medical chart?
I'm not doing good.
Huh?
I said I'm not doing good.
You're not doing good?
No.
Well, the medical professional said that you are.
Okay, and you were asked to leave several times.
What's up, everybody? Today we are giving you an example as well as covering why so many feminists very highly promote never hit a woman thing, despite what the U.S. Constitution clearly says about self-defense. Let's get into it, shall we?
Okay,
So you have to leave.
that's why we were called. So I'm asking you nicely to please get up and exit the building.
Alicia, I'm asking you a yes or no question. Will you comply?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
They ask you to leave, Alicia.
What are your concerns?
Well, I feel like I have a heart attack. I know it may not be my heart. It might be something else. And I'm really dizzy.
Okay.
Even driving over here was
Did
awful.
you tell them all this information?
Yes. And
Okay. And-
did lab work and said, your lungs look clear. I've been coughing up blood.
Okay.
And maybe it's something else. I don't know. I'm not the doctor.
Exactly.
Because you're not a doctor, you cannot diagnose yourself. So that's why we're beyond that. Alicia, we're beyond that now. I'm asking you to please leave.
Okay, thank you.
You need to leave with us right now. We have to see you physically leave the building.
So what's gonna be, Alicia?
Now you see, everybody, this is exactly why so many feminists here in the West very much heavily promote never hit or touch a girl, despite what the U.S. Constitution says about self-defense and despite the definition of consent. It really is. Because essentially, let's face it, the idea is, hey, you can't touch me. If you do, I'm going to ruin your life with a false allegation, etc., etc. And if you can't touch me, what are you going to do in this particular situation? The answer is, there's nothing you can do except accept your faith and just tolerate me. Exactly. That's literally what it is. And that's literally the game this feminist is clearly doing in order to try to force the hospital to be her personal daycare service. Since no one can touch, so she believes, hey, no one can touch her. What is the hospital going to do? See?
Alicia, I just wanted to check in because we're in a bit of a situation here.
Yeah, I realize that.
I think you work in healthcare. I'm just guessing based on your clothes. So why is it that you don't want to leave?
Because I feel like there's something else they could be doing.
And what are you interested in having done?
Oh, I'm not a medical professional. I'm not a nurse.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But you're feeling. What are you feeling? Like, what are you hoping could be alleviated by more treatment here?
I don't know. I'm just crazy. I don't know.
Do you think we could move to the waiting room?
No.
Okay.
All right. Hey, Alicia. My name's Patrick with the Port Police Department. So I know that the nurses talked to you, the ER techs. Christopher's trying to work with you here to figure out what your needs are. But we were called here because you've been asked to leave for 45 minutes and refused. You're now refusing to even move out to the waiting room. So it's
45 minutes, everybody. 45 minutes. Now, if a man were to do the exact same type of behavior, hey, it will lead to a physical confrontation. But because the feminist movement constantly promotes, hey, never hit a woman, never touch a woman, despite what the U.S. Constitution says about self-defense or what the law says about legal consent, hey, it ends up dragging on this long. Because that's literally what the game is. It literally is. You can't touch me, so you have no choice but to just tolerate me. And I'm not going to listen to you.
come back at 6:50. If you're not outside the building, you're going to be arrested and go to jail. So I'll let you and Christopher talk for 5 minutes and decide what you want to do. Trespassing. We'll be back in 5 minutes.
The Karen left the hospital after a stern warning from the officer, but things took an unexpected turn when she returned just hours later, adamant to stand her ground.
She's good to go, right? Nothing medical that you can do. Is her life in danger at all?
Medically cleared for discharge.
Medically cleared for discharge, okay? You know what that means, Alicia, right? So right now, remember what Officer Fadali did last time I was here?
Yeah, he yelled at me and was very
He did not
rude.
yell at you. Nope, nobody yelled at you.
Yes, he did.
No, he gave you 5 minutes to leave, okay? And you complied. I'm going to give you 5
I
minutes.
don't want to leave.
So
Everybody
even if the
is
5 minutes
against me.
Alicia, even if the
Don't.
5 minutes end, you're not going to leave. That's what you're going to tell me. So you're going to go to jail instead of walking free out of here.
I looked up the laws and you can't arrest somebody
I can, yes.
for being here.
Yes, if they refuse to leave after being medically cleared and being asked by an authorized person to leave the premises. I have the authority to actually not only trespass you, but if you refuse, to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. So do you want that to happen?
Well, obviously nobody does.
I don't.
Now, everybody, take a good look how she's not really taking what the officer is saying seriously. She's not. And we all know the reasons why. It is because she believes she's untouchable because she's a woman. Hate to break it to you, lady, you're not. That whole never hit a woman thing, it's an actual moral guideline. It's not an actual law. Especially when it comes to the U.S. Constitution and self-defense.
So you're not working with me. We allowed you enough time to leave on your own the first time, and you did, which I appreciate, but now you're not being reasonable. So I'm giving you the options. Leave voluntarily or go to jail.
Well, I'm not going to jail.
Okay, so you're going to leave voluntarily.
We'll see.
Nope. It's a yes or no question.
I don't have a yes or no answer.
All right, you got 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left. You've got a minute left.
Okay, I'm waiting for him to answer me.
Waiting for whom?
My husband.
To do what? You can call him from outside the building. So you have 1 minute.
I asked him if he could come bail me out.
Bail you from jail.
Yes.
Okay.
And you're still acting the same way you did before.
I don't know what you mean. No. Time's up.
Of course it is.
What's your decision?
What is my decision? I don't know.
Pardon?
Just 1
You good?
second.
Stand up.
Just one.
Stand up for me, please, Alicia.
No.
I gave you enough
You're
time.
under arrest.
You're under arrest, Alicia. Stand
No,
up for me.
I'm waiting for
Please stand
the
up.
answer.
Stand up.
Stop.
Stand up, Alicia. We don't have to go that route.
Stop.
Stand up, please.
Quit.
Stand
Alicia,
up. You're
stop.
under arrest.
You're under
You
arrest.
understand you're under arrest at this time?
Stand up.
No.
You don't understand that you're under arrest?
You're hurting yourself here, okay?
Just stop.
Do not resist, okay?
Don't.
We're being gentle with you. Stand up on
No,
your feet.
you're not.
Now, ma'am.
No.
So, Alicia,
Now,
here's the deal.
please
Ollie,
stand
stop.
up.
Here's the deal. You're under arrest. If you provide any resistance, you're going to get additional charges besides trespassing, and we will use force to effect this arrest. Do you understand that? It's a yes or no. Do you understand that?
This is her last opportunity to make things easy, and she chooses.
No.
Okay, stand up.
I need my
Hands behind your back.
phone. Quit.
Stop resisting, okay? Clear makeup, Jen. Alicia,
Clear.
stop resisting, please.
I'm not.
Clear
You're
her.
pulling
Hang
it.
off her wrist.
Locked. I'm locked. Alright. Anything on you is gonna stick me, poke me, hurt me anyway? Recovery position, Alicia, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna send you up, Alicia, okay?
Text him. I can't even tell him.
You can call him from jail. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against your court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering any questions. If you can't afford to hire an attorney, one will be provided for you at no cost. You can decide at any time to exercise your rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand your rights?
Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Stand up.
All right, we're gonna walk out this way.
Now, Personally, I'm kind of wondering, why is she going around pretending to be sick at a hospital? Because, yeah, I remember that there was a time when I used to do that too when I was a kid in school, but doing that as a full grown adult at an actual hospital, yeah, I don't really see the point of that. I really don't.
To left.
It's unlocked. All right, Alicia, this is the car.
I'm not getting in the car.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm
Alicia, yes, you
not.
are.
You've already got 2 charges. I suggest you stop before you get even more charges. Right now, you're under arrest for trespassing and resisting arrest. If you continue, you're going to get more charges.
I don't
In which case, your husband won't be able to afford your bail.
Put your butt on the seat, please. Alicia, it is in your best interest to not resist, okay?
I'm not
Please,
trying to.
yes,
Just
you-
give me a
You're-
minute.
Okay. Alicia, take a deep breath, okay? I need you to sit in that seat right now, please. Alicia,
I want
sit down, please.
you to text my husband.
What? Not yet. You can text him. We're calling from jail. Alicia, I need you to sit in the car.
Okay,
Or my part. Okay.
give me a minute.
My partner's
Oh my
gonna
God.
help you sit in the
Gonna
car
have
from
a
the
heart
other side.
attack.
Alicia, we're sitting down. Put your knee in.
Ouch!
Put your knee in.
Why are you hurting me?
I am not hurting you.
Ouch!
You're doing that yourself.
That's a 3rd charge, obstruction now.
Yep, why are you hurting me? The false allegation, right there, because they laid their hands on her. Yeah. Damsel in distress. Isn't it kind of funny how we see so many feminists like this constantly claiming to be a strong and independent woman who don't need no man, but the moment things get tough, or the moment things don't go their way, that's when they immediately start crying damsel in distress. And personally, I understand the reason why, because let's face it, men hold the monopoly on force. Like all these supposed rights that feminists keep claiming they have, they're reinforced by men. They are. Yeah, they are. The only reason why women like this get to act like this is because us men gave them everything. Us men built buildings, roads, sewers, you name it. Let's face it, like we said before on this channel, if men were to suddenly make the collective decision to say, hey, okay, we've had enough, women no longer have any rights, technically, they could make that happen in a day. We know this because, let's be honest here, we can point to multiple other countries where that has technically happened. We can. After all, we already know that historically speaking, there's been several movements for women to advocate for rights, promote rights, but there's been no historical chapters of women actively, physically fighting for rights hand to hand. There hasn't been any of that. So, in those countries where men made that decision, what could the women do? I'm not saying it should be like that, but technically that